Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay to your streams. This video has been requested by a lot of my viewers and asked where I've got my overlay from. Some people hate my overlay, some people like my overlay, so let's get right to it. The first option I have for you guys is player.me. This is not sponsored, by the way, and this website is an easy way to find an overlay. So if you click the first link in the description, it'll take you to this nice little website here. You could either sign up or log in. Easy ways is to log in, click the Twitch icon, and you'll log in like this. This is where communities could connect with each other, they could help each other out, and stuff like that. There's chat, discoverability, leaderboards, etc. But we're not interested in that. We are interested in the overlays. So if you click overlays and look through the page and find something suitable for you, you could search through games, you could search through keywords at the search bar at the top, and you can change this to whatever you need and look through everything that you want. You can look for anything that you want. I mean, there's a lot. You could just use keywords up here and look for them. So let's use this gives alerts, etc. So let's say, for example, I like this assassin one. I'll click on it. It's inspired by Apex Legends. So I'll click add to my overlay set, and I could pick what I want. Let's just say I just want the in-game overlay. I'll click add to overlay 1, and then obviously template for whichever one you use. Obviously I don't do Facebook gaming, I don't do YouTube live, but I might come to YouTube at some point. Mixers, they've shut down, so Twitch would be one of your options. So you're bringing you to this nice little place. These are my current overlays, but I don't use them anymore because I've got a new simple overlay, which I could show you guys here. Is at the very bottom. It says helix_46, which is to follow. This is really simple to do. You have ETC for the 5-month subscription to me on Twitch. That's a much cleaner overlay than the one I'm going to show you guys, but there is 2 options, so it's going to be a long video. So the assassin one that was inspired by Apex, we could edit it by clicking the pencil tool, which will bring us here. These are the alerts. If you want alerts on your stream, if you don't want it by Streamlabs, you could have them from here, but I don't like these alerts, so what we end up doing is I keep switching them off because I don't like them. You could edit to your liking, edit what goes on the bottom bar, your tag, everything up here, your face cam if you want to turn off the face cam, or get rid of the top bar. You could just remove and add to your liking. Obviously you could add a widget of your choice, alerts, labels, counters, trains, miscellaneous, and other overlay, name, feature, social bar, etc. So this is up to you. You could edit all of this. When you guys are happy with how you edited it, etc., you click save. After you saved it, you click launch. Obviously these are the current ones, XSplit and OBS. Most probably everyone is using Streamlabs OBS or just OBS. If you're using XSplit or something else, there's a few options, but we use OBS. Click copy to copy overlay to URL. Obviously you're going to have OBS if you're using OBS. What it says is click the plus sign, browser source, which you could name this overlay. I'm just gonna call it OV, and and it will bring you this page. So what you do here, you do Control V for the link. I'm not gonna paste it in because I don't need it yet. So what you have to do is set this to 1920 and this one to 10 80. Then obviously do Control V, so the link's there. Then click OK. As you may see on the recording, the overlay is now added to the recording. Because I don't want the overlay, I am going to remove it. But that's as easy as that to get a nice overlay for your streams. So I've removed it now because I don't want it. This was option 1. This was option 1. You could still edit it and do whatever. If you want to test it, it will bring you to this test thing. So let's say a recent follower. It'll pop up somewhere, and basically a tip will pop up down here. You know, everything would be here for you to test, launch, copy the thing, bring it here, etc. The other way is with Stream Elements, which is this overlay at the bottom. As you can see, the little overlay at the bottom. For that, you guys could go to alerts and overlays after you've logged in. For example, I've got the alpha rotating feed. I created this a month ago and updated it 6 days ago, and I posted it on my stream source. What you do is create a blank overlay. Just click start, and this is the space it gives you to create an overlay to your wishes. So you would add, for example, this is all the alert stuff, engagements, labels, for example, latest subscriber label. You could do this to however you like. Obviously the editing tools here, group it up and stuff like that. There is a lot you could do. If I could get this working. Yeah, I'm struggling. But yeah, so you could click the plus sign. You could add text, image, video, custom widget. You could have like seasonal stuff. And stream tools. Those are a lot of things you could do. Or you could just do what I did and have a rotating. Get rid of this real quick. Or you could get a rotating alpha feed. So if you search for theme gallery, you could search for your own theme for your overlay and edit it to your style. So what I did is I looked through that and I found the alpha rotating feed. This was created by Alpha Gaming, which is another YouTube channel, and the Twitch stream himself. So I've got this feed off him and I edited it to my likings. So this is the feed. It's a little bar. It's got like some settings, color settings, the events that I want it to flick through. It's got a position and style, opacity, rotation, and the settings. Do I want it to flip in, bounce in, and not anything like that? Bounce in, bounce out, etc. So this could be found in the overlay section of Stream Elements. But yeah, that's it for this thing. Again, if you do want to put this into OBS, it's the same way. You'll grab the that's the little, click edit here, then you'll take the link off here, put it into a browser source, put the recommended size for it, which will tell you size and style. So 1177 for this one and 60, and you'll do everything with like I showed you before. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Well, not the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm so used to streaming. Yeah, so if you've done that correctly, everything would appear on your stream and appear on OBS. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to drop that like and that sub, and have a good rest of your day. I do stream, just to mention it, Monday to Sunday. So I stream basically every single day from 12 PM UK till 4:30, maybe 5 if I'm feeling happy, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Do everything I just said before. Follow me on Twitch if you want to, and have a good rest of your day.